Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Farmville 2 game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your device, open up the Google Play Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box. Now from the search menu, just type in Farmville 2 and initiate your search. Now from the search results, just tap on the Farmville 2 game and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Farmville 2 game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button you can tap on it to open up the Farmville 2 game. After opening up the game, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start enjoying the Farmville 2 game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Farmville 2 game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.